Good morning, students. Today we are going to start our new chapter, that is the body movement. In this chapter, the first topic is the movement of body. Why the movement? What is the movement? Blinking of your eyes, facial expression, movement of lower jaw, movement of tongue, movement of hands, movement of heart pumping the blood continuously, movement of lungs. These movement essential to survival of an organism. Various messages transmit from different body parts to brain, and brain analyze them and send the information to respective organ. This movement may occur through any stimulus, any change in the atmosphere. Yes, I am itching. Why? The itching is also there was an stimulus and I start to itch. Which kind of example of this movement? Lion आया, animals start to run. Animals start to run away. Why? To avoid their predation, to avoid the enemies. स्नेक देख लिया, भाग जाएंगे. स्नेक इज आर एनिमी, पॉइजनस स्नेक है. राइट? लाइक दिस, वेरियस एनिमल्स शो डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ movements, response to different stimulus. Stimulus, any change in the atmosphere. ज़्यादा गर्मी लगी, we come inside our room or we move and we take shelter under the tree. We will not stay in the sunshine. Like this, some of the any hot place was there, any pricky needle, or a person prick a needle to me, I take away my hand. This is the response. Movement due to stimulus. Response. This is the response. Now, there are a number of the responses are there. Sunflower, as you know, sunflower, इधर सन है, इधर सन है, तो sunflower टेक फेस लाइक दिस. सन इधर मूवमेंट होता जा रहा है, ये sunflower फेस टुवर्ड्स द सन. दैट्स व्हाई इट इज नोन एज sunflower. अ प्लांट दैट इज नोन एज माइमोसा. मोसा नहीं, माइमोसा. And this mimosa plant is also known as touch me not. मुझे टच मत करना. As you touch, it shrink. Later on, again bloom. As you touch, shrink. So these are the examples of movement. Why the organisms show movement? Some organisms, some birds showing movement. We also show movement for favorable conditions. खाना मिल जाए, for to in search of the food, in search of the water, in search of the favorable conditions, favorable temperature, cold conditions, hot conditions. Birds migrate from one place to another, from polar countries to polar regions, Siberia to our Rajasthan, Bharatpur bird sanctuary, like this. They showing their migration. Got it? Now look, movement. What is the movement? change in position. Change in position. This is change in position is known as movement. Change in position of a special organ, blinking of eyes, heartbeat. These are, I am standing over here. I am not change my position from place, from entire body. Only change in position of the body parts. This is called as movement. Stomata open, stomata closed. Stomata open, stomata closed. Stomata, small pores present in the leaves. Opening and closing of the stomata. Opening and closing of the flowers. These are examples of the movement. Now, what is the locomotion? Change in position from one place to another. Change in position from one place to another or entire body. ये देखो. This is the change in position of the entire body from one place to another. This is called as locomotion. Locomotion may occur in higher organisms as well as lower organisms, animals, plants. In lower organisms, lower plants also, algae, bacteria. Bacteria can move from one place to another. That's why they transmit various kind of the diseases. They causing a number of diseases. Look, students. Movement of tongue. Movement of jaw. Movement of hand. Movement of head. Movement of legs. जब हम चाहेंगे तभी होगी. These are the movement that can be controlled by our willpower. That can be controlled our will. So, the movements which can be controlled by our willpower known as voluntary movement. The movement which can be controlled by our will known as voluntary movement. Opening and closing of the mouth, shaking of hand, shaking of head, movement of legs, running, movement, walking. These are the movement which are the voluntary movement. Now, second movement are the involuntary movement. What do you mean by involuntary movement? The movements which can't be controlled are will. We can't control. Can you hold your breath? Oh yes, I can hold. But can I aware when I am sleeping, when I am moving, there is breathing occur continuously. Blinking of eyes, can I control? Yes, I can control, but in routine way, these blinking eyes is the involuntary. Breathing, in normal breathing involuntary, normal blinking of eyes involuntary, normal pumping of blood by the heart involuntary, movement of blood in our body, blood vessels involuntary, food chewing किया voluntary, but as it after chewing the food, move from esophagus to stomach, intestine. This is the movement of food is involuntary. So some of the movements that can be controlled by our will, voluntary movement. Some of the movement that cannot be controlled by our will, involuntary movements. It's your activity at your home. Make a list. Which are the voluntary movements? Which are the non-voluntary movement? You will make a list.